1.
Hi everyone, I'm back to teach you the next example for solving inequalities. The first example we looked at was a basic example that was very similar to solving an equation. The next example is going to be a little different because there's only one exception when solving inequalities. And that is if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality sign. Okay, so that is something you just have to remember when solving inequalities. Let's take a look at what that looks like with an example. Take a look below, and right here we have negative 4x is greater than 12. Since we're dividing by a negative 4, our answer has to have a flipped inequality. So you have to go from greater than to less than. Take a look at number 3 on your worksheet. So we're going to start off just like we started the other one by completing our DCMS strategy. In this case, we can distribute. So we're going to distribute negative 3 to x, which gives us negative 3x, and negative 3 times 3, which gives us negative 9. Bring down your inequality symbol and your 9. We don't have to combine, and we don't have to move our variables. So let's solve for x. How do we solve for x? We'll add 9 to both sides. Bring down our negative 3x and our inequality symbol. And then lastly, divide both sides by negative 3. Now this is where we need to stop and think about our golden rule. What do you do when you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number? Think about it. Hopefully you're thinking that you have to flip the inequality symbol. If you did, great job. So we're going to flip our greater than sign and make it a less than sign. And then we're going to solve. So our answer will be x is less than or equal to negative 6. Of course, before we do anything, we're going to check our answer in our calculator. We'll store negative 6 as x and make sure that we have 9 equals 9. Last but not least, we want to represent our inequality on the number line below. So first, you have to find the negative 6 on the number line. See if you can find it. All right, so it's right here. And because this is a less than or equal to inequality, we need to draw a closed circle. After we draw our closed circle, we need to draw the line in the direction of the inequality. So since this case, our inequality says x is less than or equal to negative 6, we're going to highlight the numbers that are less than negative 6, which would mean we draw our arrow to the left. Okay, so remember when it comes to this example, when you have a negative number that you're dividing your inequality by, flip the side. Take a look at number 4 in your worksheet and advance to the next slide of the Nearpod. You're going to do the next question on the inequality worksheet and the draw it slide and hit submit. When you're done with that, we just have some assessment questions and then you'll be done. Again, I'm so proud of everyone who goes home and does their homework. And Ms. Markowski and I both are. And I just want to say thank you. Okay? We'll see everyone tomorrow to learn about this a little bit more.